Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making Chinese Three-Delicacy tofu soup. Just look at this! A creamy, milky white broth packed with flavor. It's simple, cozy, and deeply comforting. Let's make it together. First, I've got some white beech mushrooms. I'm just cutting them into short sections. Makes them easier to enjoy in every bite. Next, Shiitake mushrooms. Slice them thinly. Honestly, you can swap in whatever mushrooms you love. This soup is super flexible. Some Napa cabbage, just the listed parts. I'd like to save the crunchy stalks for something else. Maybe a spicy stir fry. Here is a block of firm tofu. Cube it up into bite-sized pieces. This will soak up all that beautiful broth. And a handful of frozen shrimp. Last, 2 eggs. We are gonna fry this up in a minute. Okay, let's cook. Oh, by the way, I've listed all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box. So, if you need them, just scroll down and check it out. Heat a bit of oil in the wok. Then pour in the eggs. Let them sit up on one side. Then flip. Once both sides are golden and cooked through, break them up into chunks, just like this. Now pour in some boiling water. Keep the heat on high and let it come to a rolling boil for about 3 minutes. Then toss in the tofu, the mushrooms, and the shrimp. Watch that broth turn rich and milky. It's magic. Now toss in the cabbage. We're almost there. Season with 5 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Let everything simmer for another 3 minutes. Before serving, finish it with half a tablespoon of sesame oil. This soup is so fragrant, so savory. I could honestly eat 2 full bowls of this. Let me have a quick taste for you. The tofu soaked up all the flavors, and the fried egg gives it such a rich taste. And the shrimp, so fresh and sweet. You've got to try this at home. If you do, tag me or leave a comment. I'd love to know how yours turned out. See you in next video. Bye bye.